In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide columns per view in Monday.com multi-level boards. Open monday.com in your browser and sign in. Then go to the workspace in the left sidebar that contains the board you want to use. Once you're on the board, the first thing to do is make sure the multi-level structure is visible so you can clearly see how the shared columns behave across parent items and subitems. On the first item, click the expand arrow on the left to reveal its subitems. Then do the same for the second item. This helps you see both levels on screen at the same time, which makes it much easier to understand which columns are useful for parent rows and which ones are only relevant for subitems. Now let's create a parent level view. In the toolbar above the column headers, click the eye icon to open the column visibility panel. In that list, find Hours and uncheck it. Since Hours is only useful at the subitem level in this setup, hiding it makes the board cleaner for higher level planning. At this point, the board should be showing the columns that matter for parent items, like status and budget, while Hours is hidden. Next, save this as its own view. Go to the top right and click Save as New View. When the name field appears, type Project Overview, then press Enter or click Save. Give it a second, and you'll see a new View tab appear at the top of the board with that name. Now switch back to the Main Table tab at the top. This returns you to the default view, where all columns are visible again. From here, we'll make a second view for task-level work. Click the eye icon once more to open the visibility panel. This time, find Budget and uncheck it. Budget is more relevant to the parent level, so hiding it lets task-focused details stand out more clearly. Click anywhere outside the panel to close it. You should now see an Unsaved Changes banner. Click Save as New View. In the name field, type Task Details, then press Enter or click Save. That creates a second custom view focused on subitem work. Now test the result by switching between the tabs at the top. Click Project Overview, and you'll see Budget is visible while Hours is hidden. Then click Task Details, and now Hours is visible while Budget is hidden. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's the key idea. Each view can highlight only the columns that matter for that context, while the actual board data stays exactly the same underneath. This is especially helpful in multi-level boards because it reduces clutter and makes each view easier to scan depending on whether you're managing high-level projects or detailed task execution.